stem cells are one of the great technologies as they can help our Ministry of Health to improve medicine and cure diseases. However, what can I see in this research is that stem cells have raised few controversies among Malaysians, so it is important to look into the ethical concerns, especially when involving embryonic stem cells. And we must use this technology just as an alternative treatment to cure diseases and not to challenge God's power, but to use the knowledge and abilities that He provided to help others. Besides, I hope that the scientists can prove that this treatment is safe to use, affordable, and accessible. Therefore, it is important to maintain the balance between creativity, careful planning, and ethics while discovering stem cells' full potential in order to treat people. That's all for me. Thank you.
As for me, the stem cell research is such a way we can provide human needs. For me, we can get more benefit than the best from this technology. For example, we can get to treat many diseases such as cancer. Moreover, we can get to test the efficiency of new drugs or medicine before introduced to humans. As we know, nowadays many diseases have been developed because of the sake of our world and the bad habit of humans. So treatments are needed for that. But some people may find this research have its cons such as cloning. From the stem cell, we can do cloning. I give one analogy where someone make a cloning of you and then do the sexual harassment with your cloning, which is very rude, right? Last but not least, I will say that stem cell research is such a good way to improve our need, but with the proper way and rules.
In my understanding, I believe stem cell research has the potential to change medicine and can help us solve some of the tough health problems today. For example, it could be used to repair damaged tissue or organs, offering hope to people with conditions like spinal injuries or disease such as Parkinson's. At the same time, there are some challenges we need to consider. Treatment like this might be very expensive, which could make them hard for most people to afford. There is also the ethical issue of using embryonic stem cell, which some people feel goes against their moral or religious belief. That is why I think it is important to have clear rules and ethical guidelines in place to ensure the research is done responsibly. By educating the public and being transparent about the process, we can make sure that everyone understands the benefit while addressing their concerns. Stem cell research is a powerful tool, but we need to use it wisely and fairly so that everyone can benefit from it.
From my perspective, although stem cells have been widely used in the medical field, they should not be used for other individuals. This is because there is still no specific research on the safety and efficacy of stem cells. Due to the lack of comprehensive or in-depth studies on stem cell procedure, the risk of individual developing problems or illnesses become higher. It may not happen in the short term, but it could occur in the long run. Furthermore, stem cell can also be considered an unfair process for certain individuals. This is because some stem cell procedures are extremely expensive, making them inaccessible for individuals with limited economic means.
What I can explain about stem cells is something that is very much needed in the universal human life. This is because stem cells make a significant contribution, especially in research and medicine. Among them is research in cancer treatment. The study conducted aims to find the best treatment to cure various types of cancer by observing how stem cells behave in cancer. In addition, stem cells are also used to correct damaged genes in gene therapy. One way to obtain stem cells is through the extraction of embryonic stem cells at an early stage. However, this process has sparked debate due to ethical issues. There are better ways to obtain stem cells, such as iPSC and from adult stem cells. This process does not touch on ethical issue and is capable of producing stem cells similar to embryonic cells.